Hello students, welcome to e-classes of Deepal School. So today we are going to continue our chapter, that is chapter 2, decoding computer science of standard 3. So we already learned it, what are the main parts of the computer. Then after that we already learned what is computer hardware and what is computer software. So in that part of computer software we learn what is the types of two types of computer software. So from software, that is page number 13, we start the class today. So software, what is software, students? Software is specially written program that helps to the total functioning of the computer. We can say these are the programs that written in special language, and they are called computer language, which only computer can read. So without software, we can say that the computer cannot be run or properly function easily. So computer software is of two types, that is system software and application software. So if we talk about the system software enables the computer to run and perform something, some basic functions. Okay. Or if we talk about the system software is a particular connection between the, or we can say the bridge between the hardware and the other applications of the computer. So it is essential part of the computer system. We also know this as operating system, and operating system contains all the programs that needed to run the computer. Okay. So if we talk about the most usable computer application software, or we can say we can say the system software. So the most usable computer operating system and system software is the Microsoft Windows. So first one, the first example of Microsoft Windows is Windows XP, then Windows 7, then Windows 8, then after that Windows 10, Windows 2000, Windows 98. These are the examples of system software, or we can say operating system. Then after that, application software. What is application software? What you are run in your computer for performing particular tasks is known as application software. So these are the programs that is written in a special language that helps the computer to performing some special processing, drawing, calculating, playing music, graphics, etc. So if we talk about, these are also known as end user programs. Okay. So if we talk about the examples of the application software, the first one is word processor, that is MS Word, Word Pro, OpenOffice Writer, etc. And for this, or with the help of this, we edit, format and save documents. Then after that, spreadsheet program. The most usable spreadsheet program is MS Excel, then OpenOffice calculation, Lotus 123, and with that particularly software, we can do some programs and stores, organize, calculation, numeric data, etc. Then after that, the presentation graphics program, that is, we all know that MS PowerPoint, OpenOffice Impress, Adobe Presenter 8, etc. With the help of this, we can present information in the form of slideshows. Okay. Then after that, computer games are some games you have to download it from the particularly computer. Then after that, some of application or games are already within your computer. Then after that, if we talk about the drawing programs, you know very well the MS Paint, then Corel Draw, etc. Then after that, music player, the Windows media player, real player, etc. These are the application that used for music playing. Okay. Then after that, what is the difference between hardware and software? If we say that, we already learn what the hardware is, the part or physical part that we can that we can see and touch is known as hardware, and the particular part of the computer, or we can say the programs that we cannot see and touch, are the software. So this is the total chapter, and you have to do the assessment sheet by your own. Okay. So thank you, student.